Hey y'all, it's the Pink Bag Lady, and I want to talk to you about this amazing new Spring 2022 31 catalog. Y'all are gonna simply love it, and I want to review all the products that are in it. So today I'm gonna start off with the cutest lunch pail. It is a fold over lunch bag, so cute. It's one of our thermals in our thermal collection. It has so many cute prints. This is the Boho Rainbows, but it also comes in 4 other prints that are both boy and girl friendly. It has this adjustable buckle closure, all right, a padded grip handle. The inside lining is a water resistant lining. It's also an antimicrobial food safe wipeable lining. The outside is also a wipeable material. It is great, easy to clean, just a fabulous little thermal lunch bag. And guess what? 2 great things. One, it's made out of 1.5 recycled plastic bottles. Can you believe that? And 2, 31 cents from the sale of each and every one of these goes to help us empower the next generation with a donation to Girls on the Run. If you're not familiar with Girls on the Run, Google it or stay tuned for an upcoming video that's going to tell you all about our Girls on the Run program that we support at 31 Gifts. So you can grab this lunch bag for $24 on my website at pinkbaglady.com and check out all the cute personalization and grab one for your littles or for yourself. So check it out, pinkbaglady.com. More products to come.